Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. Now we're going to take a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. That looks very good. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.